In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move buttons in Shopify. Whether you're updating your store's design or just want to improve the customer experience, knowing how to adjust button placement can make a huge difference. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. From your dashboard, head to the online store section in the left-hand menu. This is where you manage your store's themes, which control the overall look and feel of your site. Next, click on Themes. Under your active theme, you'll see a Customize button. Go ahead and click that to open the theme editor. This tool lets you make visual changes to your store without touching any code, and you'll see updates in real time. Inside the editor, navigate to the section of your site where the button you want to move is located. Use the sidebar on the left to click through sections until you find it. Once you've located your button, look for the drag and drop handle. It usually looks like two stacked lines. Simply click, hold, and drag the button to your desired position. You can move it up or down to create a better flow for your customers and highlight important calls to action. When you're happy with the placement, don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner. This ensures your changes go live. It's also a good idea to preview your site afterward to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want from the customer's perspective. And that's it. You've just learned how to move buttons in Shopify. A simple customization like this can go a long way in creating a unique shopping experience that matches your brand. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other Shopify tutorials for more quick tips.